Insert one end of the network cable into the COND interface on the right side of the transmitter. Plug the other end of the network cable into the receiver. Select COND on the menu of the transmitter, then you can see the alignment on the screen to show it is normal. This is a broken network cable. Then you can see the crossover on the screen to show it is broken. Insert the network cable into the QC interface on the right side of the transmitter. It can detect whether the RJ45 connector is normal or not. Connect the network cable to the flash interface on the transmitter. Select Flash on the menu of the transmitter. The light on the network cable box will flash along with the light on the transmitter screen. It can be used to find the port on the network cable box. Back to main menu. Select PO function. You can view some parameter values of the switch. Insert the network cable into the length interface on the right side of the transmitter. Select length on the menu of the transmitter. You can check the length of the network cable. Insert the fiber into the VFL interface on the top of the transmitter. Select VFL on the menu of the transmitter to enter this function. Press the OK button. You can switch the red light to fast flash, slow flash, constant light. This function also detects bends and breaks in the fiber. Insert the optical fiber to the OPM interface on the top. Select OPM on the menu of the transmitter. It can test optical power and optical attenuation value. Insert the network cable into the skin interface on the top of the transmitter. Select Scan on the menu of the transmitter. On the other side, select the scan mode on the receiver to search. Power on the receiver. Press the NCV and lighting button. It can monitor voltage in dark environment.